like, you're thinking just like the line of it?
I reckon just like a line up round here. And then maybe some designs.
We're gonna put some designs in this thing today.
So like, no, you need like a lightning bolt.
I think a lightning bolt would be good. But the thing is, it's Donovan's last day filming, and it's only Wednesday, and I'm supposed to run this till Saturday morning. So everything, if he was gonna be around, I would only have to run this for less than 24 hours. But now I gotta run it for 72 hours. So I'm shaving it this week. I'm gonna look ridiculous all week.
Shaving it Saturday morning?
Yeah, probably Friday night.
What made you guys launch the boat?
Blake was like, is there even any fish in here? Right after he said that, I just got a huge one.
There's definitely fish.
Dude, I caught a big one, Dad, like a really good one.
Oh my god!
Freaking giant! Giant! Freaking giant, dude.
Oh my!
Freaking giant!
Oh my!
Freaking giant!
Show me that.
Freaking giant, guys! Oh my god! It was a lot bigger in person. And I haven't caught a fish in a while. I was so happy I finally caught one. I haven't caught fish in what, like a year now. Alright, so what do I do, Dad? Here.
Oh!
Lay down.
Oh my god!
No, we'll let it go.
Sick.
We just want to
I'm gonna call Duff.
show the guys.
Hey, we got an alligator.
You got an alligator? Oh, yeah, you did.
It's a baby like it. Y'all, is there anyone that knows how to handle an alligator? He says he's grabbing the side by
Here,
side.
should we put this on?
Should try to remove that hook. Hang on, dude.
Bro, it's calling its mom right now. I'm telling you, dude. Next thing you do, the mom's gonna be running up at you.
It's like, Mom, come get me.
So Hudson was fishing, and then this thing got caught on the hook. So.
Ooh, that's trippy.
I want to feel excited.
So we gotta release it.
We just
the
wanted
hook. We gotta get the hook in it.
This right here is like a damn dinosaur to us. Right here. This is like, it's like a T-Rex, bro. And I caught one. Don't make him fool you because he'll try to hit a little run for us soon.
Hudson was holding it by its tail, just holding it.
That's so awesome.
Here, there's a hook on its foot. Look, I got him right in the foot.
Still right there, Hudson. It's right there. That's the middle wire.
You gotta hold him?
I want to hold it. I want to hold it when you're done. Jeez. I don't know what it's gonna do.
Let's go put him in the back and bring it up and show everyone. He can breathe out of water. It's not like the fish.
It's so cool.
It's so squishy.
Go find the big one. Come on.
Dude, the mama's gonna be running up
for the
the
big
hill.
one.
You see me carrying like an 8-footer behind my back? Yeah, I got him, boys.
Hold it, Cole. You got a lot of trust in that tape.
It's not a crocodile, dude. He's not used to it.
You want to hold it? How big is that thing, you think? 2.5 feet? Oh, I got to take that.
Yeah, we have to see it. Oh, we... Yo, what?
No.
We were looking for the mom.
It's not gonna do it.
You know the mom's gonna be looking here soon.
I don't think the mom's like, I think moms like leave them when they're born, no?
He's gotta go tell his friends about what just happened. I don't know what it means, but I think I'm YouTube famous now. Yeah, later, Gator.
You should have named him. What are you gonna name him?
Gary. Gary the Gator. That's a good one. Gary the Gator. Until next time, little guy. How do you even do a lightning bolt?
I don't know.
No, go like this. It's like that.
Oh my god. What type of lightning bolt is this?
Wait, is that not a lightning bolt?
What the hell?
It's like a cloud lightning bolt, bro.
It's Alligator.
It is.
Well, this thing actually works pretty good.
Is that the X Games logo?
Oh, it's a heart.
It's a heart. I wasn't even trying to do a heart, bro.
I'm nervous he's gonna cut my beard off.
Like this.
Oh, that's kind of hard.
Oh, you're making it really bad. Wait, is that really where the hairline is?
Yeah.
It's that bad?
I went around the whole hairline. Well, exit route for the water. And he has to run this till Friday.
That was perfect.
What did he do?
It'll clean up his back.
Who knows? All right, I'm going to work out. Good luck.
He wants the beard too, Hudson.
You touch the beard, you're done.
Let's just put a little slit.
Yeah, do a little slit.
Yeah, let me do a little slit. I'll get you. I won't do it back.
No, I'm not doing that.
No, let's do a little,
You want a slit in yours?
let's do a little slit.